Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Or we can say also in bahasa Indonesia is selamat pagi, selamat siang, dan selamat sore atau malam. Depend on when are you watching this video. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yves Belgiaswara SUSILO. I am from Indonesia. I am 22 years old. In this special occasion, I would like to present to you about a certain prehistoric site in my country, Indonesia. So first of all, before we get into the prehistoric site, I would like to tell you that Indonesia is located in the Southeast Asia, and it is an archipelago with 17,000 islands consisting, and most populated Muslim country in the world. With around 700 local languages that we have, it showed that our country is very rich in tradition and also in the history. If we start to talk about the prehistory part of our country, it is mainly known that our country also provide information and knowledge to the paleoanthropological evolution, or mainly to the human evolution knowledge of this world. Indonesia being a rich country in a historical perspective, traditionally perspective, and cultural perspective, we can say that this country may gives us a lot of informations about the human in the past. So let me begin with the most famous site in Indonesia. It is called Sangiran. Sangiran is a prehistoric site in central Java at approximately 15 kilometers northward from Solo, and covers two regencies between Regency of Sragen and Karanganyar in the province of Central Java. This area covered 56 kilometers square, and in this area also contained a human fauna and flora fossils. It is recognized by the UNESCO in 1996, being a Sangiran site as the World Cultural Heritage number C593 by the official name of the Sangiran Early Man Site. First, by discussing the discovery of human remainings in Sangiran, we can see that there are several scientists that involved in this. By our Dutch colony era, it started from Eugene Dubois, who founded the Homo erectus, and also Mr. von Koenigswald is the first scientist who found Sangiran site in 1934, based on the finding of flake tools in Ngabung village. And also there are several Indonesian researchers or scientists that is involved in this historical foundings, that were Professor Suyono, Professor Jacob, and Professor Sartono. By looking at the geological or the environmental changes, this area has been through a lot of evolution or changes through the years. For example, by the geological process in the form of tectonic plates shifting, at least from 2 million years ago, Sangiran had experienced a lot from marine to swamp. We can know it by observing from the stratigraphical layers that are showed in the Sangiran area. So what's the reason behind this site is very important to the world? Is because 50% of Homo erectus specimens were found in this site. This is a valuable contribution, since Homo erectus has a really significant role in human evolution. Besides the foundings of the human remainings of the Homo erectus, the researchers also found various stone tools that were flakes, chopping tools, hand axe, bolas, and bone tools. So we can conclude that the Sangiran Early Man site is an archaeological site that is very impactful to the evolution of archaeological studies paleoanthropological studies, and also geological studies, and mainly also the human evolution studies. That is all I can explain to you for this short time. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this will be useful in the future. God bless, and thank you very much.